200. Rusi. KR-Y. It's an 18-inch rear wheel, 110 by 90, 16-inch rear wheel, monoshock absorber, very strong foot pegs for the driver, and nice cozy for the passenger. Engine copy of Honda, I suppose, more or less. It has some cooling fins upside down. Front wheel is 18 to 75 by 18. And gas tank is made of plastic. Cool. So here we have the handlebar controls. This one has a digital unit. Okay, so here you have a steering lock right there. There is no radiator, it's all air cooled. The price is fantastic, 73,000 pesos. How can you go wrong with this one, huh? How can you go wrong? Look at this, it even has some air cooling fins for the engine. Oh, I love this one. Probably I'm gonna buy one of these. Down payment 5,000 pesos. You can bring it home for 5,000 pesos. Then, since we are in the Rusi shop, I see this 250. How much was this one? The Titan. How much was the Titan? 116,000. A 250cc, very hefty, very beautiful. And the 150cc version, how much is that? This one? 150cc is 69,000. So it's basically 4,000 pesos difference between the 150cc and the 200cc. Okay, that's it. Signing off from Digos, Rusi.